No, oh my god, whoa.
You ready?
Dude, calm down, dude. Calm down. What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Mitch is having a great day. Mitch, you having a great day?
Yeah, it's Friday.
Mitch is already like fucking tearing shit apart. This guy, like, I can't leave him alone for a second because he's already like trying to tear this freaking motor out. This engine, I'm sorry. He's already trying to tear this engine out of here. You gotta slow down, buddy.
I can't help it.
You can help it. You can.
I'm excited.
He's too excited sometimes. So, all right, guys, here's what's going to be happening today. It's a very, very sad moment in my life. And I'm going to tell you why it's a sad moment in my life. It's because of Ghost. And I know you guys have been anxiously awaiting a Ghost update. Well, you guys are going to have one today. And I'm going to be honest with you, it's probably the saddest. It's probably going to be the saddest video that I ever make about this car. I might cry a little bit, I might tear up a little bit. But on the Red Rocket, which is still freaking here, I'm trying to get rid of this freaking stupid car. Freaking, if anybody needs anything off of Red Rocket, there's a lot of stuff that's sold. That's not an engine. There's a lot of stuff that's sold on Red Rocket. If you need anything, let me know. There's still a lot of parts left, man. Hit me up at diabloformula@hotmail.com. Let me know what you need. I'll try to go through and we'll go through the little stuff that's left and all that stuff. I also have, and I'm not trying to make this like a paid promotion, just trying to sell all my shit out of the shop, but I figure if I got your guys' attention, I might as well talk about stuff. But we also have the V6 and supercharger. I think it's a Paxton supercharger. No, it's a Powerdyne supercharger. Brand new rebuilt 2,900 mile V6 3.8 liter Series 2, I think. Engine out of the 98 V6 Trans Am or 98 V6 Firebird that we swapped the V8 into. That is for sale as well. If anybody's interested in that supercharger kit or the engine and supercharger or just the engine, hit me up, let me know. But I want to get rid of this stuff. It's taking up a lot of space in my shop and it's got to go because we have a whole bunch of other stuff that we got to do. But like I said, today we're going to talk about good old Ghost here. And Mitch is going to be helping. Where's Mitch? Mitch is, oh my god. Get away from the car, Mitch. Get away from the C7Z06. So, on the Red Rocket, guys, I had a stand-up radiator, and we did a whole bunch of modifications to the support of the radiator in order for that radiator to work. Well, as you know, with this turbo setup from Huron Speed and everything else, I have to do the same thing to Ghost, and that's what we're going to do today. And I'm not going to lie to you guys, it's going to kill me. It's going to kill me to cut into this car. And it might actually hurt some of you guys as well. But we're going to walk over here and take a look at what's going on. I ended up getting a new radiator because when I wrecked Red Rocket, I broke that radiator. And that radiator was actually for the old turbo setup. And one of the big problems that we ran into, here we'll put this down here. That way we get nice Ghost in the background. One of the big problems that we ran into was the tube on the driver's side went up and over the turbo and back down. And I think there was getting a air pocket in there and it was causing it to overheat and get, not overheat, but just get a little hotter than normal. And we tried to remedy that at the North Carolina call out and it just wasn't working. But it was definitely getting an air pocket in here and we just could not get it out. Well, I did pick up a new radiator and I picked up the correct radiator. I'm going to show it to you right here. It's a new Griffin radiator. Same thing as before, except we have the fill on the driver's side and we have both exit entries on the passenger side. So it's going to allow both tubes to come out into the engine and up into the engine here, which is going to make things a lot easier. And of course, it's going to bleed out the air out of the system a lot easier as well. So in order to put that radiator in this car, I've already marked it. We have to cut this right here. We have to cut that whole thing out. And I'm not going to lie, guys, that fucking sucks. One of the reasons why I did not want to do a turbo setup in this car was because of the fact I didn't want to chop it up. It's too nice for the car. The car's in really good shape. It's not rusted. It's not messed up. It's not damaged. It doesn't even have the trap door mod done for the fuel pump in the back, which I'm going to be doing that too, unfortunately. And I just did not want to cut the thing up and really, like, you know, just mangle this car up for a race car build. But obviously, since Red Rocket is no more, well, that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna have to chop this thing up to get the radiator fit in there properly. We're gonna try to make it look nice and neat and pretty and all that fun jazz. And you know, hopefully it looks good when it's done. So let's get started. I'm gonna have Mitch. Oh God, you sad? Mitch don't care. He's like, I'll cut anything you want me to cut, man. He's like, shit, let's cut this shit up right now. Oh, guys, this is gonna hurt. Whoa, calm down, man. Look, Mitch is like in a hurry. He's like, I just want to cut shit. I want to break everything and I want to cut it. No. Oh my God. Whoa. Whoa.
Ready?
Dude, calm down, dude. Calm down. Oh my God. Okay, so first off, we need to take this plastic thing out the bottom. No. God damn it, Mitch. We need to get this plastic thing out the bottom here. We have this little plastic piece here. We need to get that gone first. Let's put this in here where that belongs. All right, we got that plastic piece out. Now it's open. Oh my gosh.
You were scared.
I'm really not like happy about this. I'm not gonna lie. This is sketchy. Get the wiring harness out of the way here. There we go. Bye-bye wiring harness. Bye-bye. Get this wiring harness side out because I don't want to cut through there by accident. That would fucking suck, donkey dick.
Okay. Sir, safety first. There's glasses right there. See them? Okay. Make sure you stay alive here.
This sucks.
You need your eyeballs. You know?
We gotta do it like this. Safety first.
You look like ZZ Top with safety glasses on.
I know, right? I guess I'll Shit, I don't want to do this. I really don't want to
Andy,
do this.
cut it.
Shut up, Mitch.
Just send it. Send the Sawzall angrily through there.
God, this sucks, man.
Oh, come on. It'll be okay. Just think about the end of the road.
Oh my God.
Here we go, guys. It's about to get cray-cray. Oh shit, he just made a nick in it. Well, the first cut in your car.
I'm just cutting it a little short, you know what I mean? Just in case. We can modify it then later on, you know.
That guy does insurance.
What?
Just in case? Yeah, he does insurance.
Just in case?
No pun intended.
Man, it sucks. I want to make sure I don't want to hit that.
Now let's hacksaw Jim Duggan this side.
Hacksaw Jim Duggan. Get that out of the way.
Ba-na.
Or watch your phalanges.
Yeah, don't cut me.
Cut them bitches off, man.
Lime and a shovel.
Ah. Son of a beeswax.
Man, you're really cutting your car up. Wow, look at that precision. With a Sawzall.
Watch your eyes.
Watch my eyes. You know what though? Race car shit.
Alright, we made a little slit in the top, and as you can see, we made a slit in the bottom as well, so we can just take the Sawzall, stick it down in there, and go straight that way, and this whole entire piece technically should just literally come right off. You wanna
Yes, sir.
hold the go camera there, buddy?
GoPro.
GoPro. Pretty straight line, loaf.
Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. I've seen better.
Shut up. Little loving, but. That's why you wear glasses.
Yeah.
It's had a piece of metal.
I just saw that. It was like, dink. Safety.
Huh? Where's your damn glasses at?
I forgot safety. Alright.
Come on, get out of there. And she's out. Alright, so what would be really cool to do here And I'll be honest with you, what would be really cool to do here is to box this in. But I don't think I'm gonna do that.
Sounds like a lot of work.
Sounds like a lot of work, and I'm not a welder. So, I mean, boxing it in would look nice. Let's test fit the radiator and see what that does.
Okay, send it. Oh, sugar snaps.
Dude, that's
like a pretty good fit.
That's a pretty fucking good fit, man.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's like pretty damn good.
Nice.
That works, man. Look
Good
at
show,
that.
Captain
That
Con.
works.
Good show.
There she is, guys.
Well, where's your little spout cap?
What's spout cap? We have to replace that. We have to take that out of the old one.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Freaking the radiator. I mean, we'll make some brackets here, I guess, and
Yep.
pull this forward.
Hold it.
Actually, we'll probably shave down more of this here and here, so we can get this closer to the setup, which I think we'll be able to. But there you go, guys. It's pretty much the easiest way to do a stand-up radiator. There is, we'll probably make some brackets down here to hold the radiator up against. That way it doesn't flop around or anything. But that's a pretty simple setup. What do you think, Mitch?
I think it's going to work great.
Yeah, that's not bad. Not bad.
We shouldn't have overheat issues with this guy.
Nah, just because I explained in the beginning of the video that it has the right outlet and inlet. There you go, guys. That's pretty much the whole video. I finally cut my car up. I'm not very happy about it. I'm kind of tearing up a little bit. But there you go. First step of modifying the Ghost for its new Golen engines. Well, used Golen engines, 370 block. And it's Huron Speed single 80mm turbo setup that we have sitting back in the back of the shop. We're just going to do some cleanup on this, and this radiator, make some brackets that should fit like a dream after that point. So it's a very easy modification to do to your F-body if you are doing a front mount turbo setup, and it makes it for plenty of room as well. But there you go, guys. If you enjoyed the video, do me a favor, give me a big thumbs up, because I'm very, very sad right now about cutting my car. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys.